For over 24 years, we've been placing advertisers on major talk shows all across the country. From Rush Limbaugh to Michael Savage, from Mark Levin to Glenn Beck, from George Norrie to Sean Hannity, from Howard Stern to whomever. If you're looking to do talk-oriented radio, spoken word radio, political talk, news talk, sports talk, we are the right place. As a matter of fact, we get some of the best deals in the industry. If you'd like to promote your products with some of the best talk show hosts in the country, whether it's local or national audiences that you desire, we can get you the best deals going anywhere in radio, anytime, any day. I guarantee it. And you should look at our other expanded media opportunities in TV and digital as well. Call us now at Ho Hum Media. That's hohumproductions.com or radioadvertisingworld.com. Or email RadioRoger at AOL.com. Radio Roger, R-O-G-E-R at AOL.com. That's 888-449-2526.